Okay, so for sum and difference of cubes, these are the formulas that we follow over here. Remember, there's a formula for both sum and difference of cubes. You first need to find the A, then you find the B, and then you use one of these formulas. The signs are always the same, opposite, last is always positive. Okay, so this next one, there's no GCF. You look at the number on the right. You see if you're taking the square root or the cube root to decide if you're using sum or difference of cubes or difference of squares. Once you take the cube root, we get the integer. We know we're using cube root formula. So we find our A and B, and then we plug into our formula slot over here. Okay, so for this next one, you take the cube root of 27, you get 3. You take the cube root of 8, you get 2. You take the cube root of x cubed, you get x. You plug it in the formula. Just be careful. A squared is 2x times 2x, so you get 4x squared, not 2x squared. So you might look at this next one and go, what am I supposed to do? That's what I would say. Because when you look at the power of 6, you don't know if you're doing cubes or squares. So my suggestion is, look at the number and ask yourself, can I take the square root of 125 and get an integer? Nope. So then you say, can I take the cube root of 125 and get an integer? And you say, aha, yes I can. 5. So then you know it's cubes. So really the hardest part once you know it's cubes is figuring out what A is. So you know it's got to be something cubed. So you say x to what power raised to the third is x to the 6th. So it's got to be x squared because 2 times 3 is 6. So we know A is x squared, and then we just fill in this formula over here. Now this next one is a little tricky because you look at it and you see the cube right away. So you think, oh, I can do the cube root.
We're going through...
Excuse that interruption, that was Miss Lee. We're just on the bus back from Berkeley. Anyways, so you look at it and go, oh, I must be able to fit the cube mold. But watch, if you try to take the cube root of 16, you go, uh-oh, can't do that. It's a decimal. So that's a hint that there's probably a GCF to take out, which there is, 2. Then you go, once I take out the GCF, I can factor this guy. So then once you get the blue box, you factor that, which I did in black. And then don't forget to drop your GCF down. Oh my goodness! And then you drop the GCF down in front of the boat. We're on a bus.